variability is more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter and will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. In order to provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, we will only activate the signal for the following counties which are within our broadcast reach: Bell, Bressett, Clay, Floyd, Harlan, Jackson, Knott, Knox, Lawrence, Lee, Leslie, Letcher, Martin, Owsley, Perry, and Pike counties. In Tennessee, Claiborne County. In West Virginia, Wayne and Mingo counties. In Virginia, Buchanan, Dickinson, Lee, and Wise counties. Once again, this has been a test of the National Weather Service's radio public warning alarm. We will now return to recorded programming.
This hazardous weather outlook is for the following counties: in Kentucky, Adair, Casey, Clinton, Greene, Lincoln, Marion, Metcalf, Russell, and Taylor. Day 1, today and tonight. Flooding along the Ohio and Green rivers continues. Elevated fire danger will continue this afternoon due to a combination of relative humidity reaching 30 to 35%, with winds at 15 to 20 miles per hour, gusting near 30 miles per hour. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Locally heavy rainfall is possible Thursday night and Friday, mainly across southern Indiana and north central Kentucky. Localized flooding is possible where the heaviest rain falls. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not anticipated at this time. This hazardous weather outlook is for the following counties: in Kentucky, Knox, Laurel, McCreary, Pulaski, Rockcastle, Wayne, and Whitley. Day 1, today and tonight. Relative humidities will bottom out in the 15 to 25% range for most locations this afternoon. This, combined with wind gusts as high as 20 to 25 miles per hour, will create an elevated risk for wildfires into the first part of the evening. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. An elevated risk for wildfires will linger across southeastern Kentucky on Thursday, when wind gusts as high as 25 to 30 miles per hour are anticipated. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not anticipated. Here is a look at conditions across the area at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At the Lake Cumberland Regional Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 59 degrees, the dew point 25 degrees, and the relative humidity was 27%. The wind was south at 6 miles an hour. The barometric...
This is the National Weather Service office in Jackson, Kentucky. We have just activated the public warning alarm tone as a test of our weather radio station's warning alarm system. This is only a test. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon Eastern Time each Wednesday. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, we will postpone the test to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. The variability is more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter and will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. In order to provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, we will activate the signal only for the following counties which are within our broadcast reach: Adair, Casey, Clinton, Greene, Knox, Laurel, Lincoln, Marion, McCreary, Metcalf, Pulaski, Rockcastle, Russell, Taylor, Wayne, and Whitley counties. Once again, this has been a test of the National Weather Service's radio public warning alarm. We will now return to recorded programming.
NOAA, all hazards weather